Yeah.
Yeah? Like it so far?
Well, we just arrived in Friday morning.
Okay, yeah.
We're heading over for a funeral here to the Isle of Wight.
Alright.
Yeah. So we're still getting adjusted to the time difference.
Yeah. It's quite tiring, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very tiring.
You picked a nice day for it anyway.
Yeah.
At the moment.
It's pretty chilly down here from time to time, eh?
Yeah,
Most of the time, I think.
So how often do you go back and forth during a day?
Well, no. Count it. Quite a few times.
Yeah.
18 times.
18